pretty. Oh, you just want some lovin's? Okay. Sorry, Tasty, I didn't mean to scare you, my girl. You just want some love? There we go. Look at you. Oh, you're a boy. My bad, bub. My bad, my boy. But you're a fixed boy. That means you belong to somebody? Huh? Who do you belong to? Huh? Who do you belong to? Well, I'm sorry. You are very pretty. You are very pretty. Look at the face. Oh my gosh, you have a face? You have a face that could rule the world. Don't you? You're so little compared to my boys. So little compared to my boys. Huh? Aren't you? Right? That's a boy. Yeah, we got a trouble puff. Well, you are very handsome. Don't you know? You can come by anytime, okay? You can come by anytime, okay? Tasty's pretty nice. I'm still gonna call you Toasty. Because that was your name no matter what to me. Huh? That was just your name. My goodness, that face though. The green eyes. That freaking nose. I can't even. You are so pretty, my boy. So pretty. But you're definitely a fixed boy. So, you gotta belong to somebody. Because there's no clipped ear here. No clipped ear here. Huh. No. None of that. Alright, well, my boys are gonna start getting jealous. They're probably watching us from the freaking window. But you are very cute. Yes. You can come by anytime, okay? Alright. You're okay. You're okay.